The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, Albert. Guys, good morning. Fellas, can I get a sound check, please? Can you guys hear me okay? All right. I never know, with Benchmark, I never know. It's always it's a crapshoot. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Today is Monday, April 3rd. Thank you, Nolan. Thank you, guys. Don, Robert, fellas, good morning. Today is April 3rd. We are out of the first quarter, beginning the second quarter. Earnings begin next week, I believe. So we're back into earnings season. I'm sure everyone has seen the news on oil and the Saudis cutting of 1 million barrels per day. We gapped up very, very big last night, a couple of bucks. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Terrible weather moving in again across the South and Midwest again tomorrow. Over 5, yeah. It was. Naturally they release it over the weekend ahead of the market open. Morning. Yeah, you're welcome, David. You're welcome. Guys, I will continue to monitor my emails, as I'm sure there will be others that will wait until 9:30, even though I sent the link last week on, I want to say Wednesday, maybe Thursday. There's the 8 o'clock bell. In any event, guys, good morning. We are back at it. Good morning, Deepak. A couple of things. One, the option class. Good morning, Sam. The option class, our first meeting will be Friday. For those of you that have signed up for it, I will be sending a link. For those of you that may still be interested in the option course, you can send me an email. You have obviously until Friday. The next order flow class I am planning on will be, if not next week, the week after. I've got a few people that want to be in the class, and they're trying to put some things together. So I don't want to start the class and then have people jump in. That's happened before, obviously, in the previous order flow classes. But ideally, we all start together. So if it's not next week, it'll be the week after. Friday is Good Friday. Markets are closed. We will not be here. The futures markets may be open, but it's moot to me. Volume will be negligible. Banks obviously will be closed. So we will not be here on Friday. If you guys are here on trial, it'll be a shortened week. And by the way, if you folks are here on trial, I think we have 5 this week. A little bit light on the trials, but I didn't do any emails last week. But if you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. Welcome to the room. I will go over briefly kind of our schedule. If you folks are here on trial, first off, these sessions are recorded. I record each and every session. Monday through Thursday, excuse me, I will be sending out to you kind of a follow-up email, which will also include your options for memberships. Presumptively, you guys are here to see our automated trading robot. But I do want to give you a brief overview of the room. So first and foremost, every single day when we come in, I show the robots. Yeah, no worries, Patrick. Thank you. Let me know when you do, because I don't get an update from my merchant account until the next day. I won't see it until 9 o'clock. So when you do, 9 p.m. So when you do, let me know. Morning, Hubba. But the first thing my trials, you guys should know, is that all of the robots begin trading at 6 a.m. Eastern. I will be trading the ES, crude, NASDAQ, YM, and gold. They all begin trading at 6 a.m. So when you folks come in, there will be gross on the bots, positively or positive gross or negative gross, but there will generally be gross. The first thing I will do every day is go through those bot trades. I will show you the bots or the trades that the bots have taken, and the bots will be done trading at 11 a.m., which will allow for transparency and a number when you guys leave. So first things first, ESBot this morning has yet to take a trade. It is setting up for a short, but it is yet to take a trade. Crude has been active this morning. And by the way, that is a one contract trade on the ES. Crude, also a one contract trade, has taken two trades this morning. Crude took a short here for first target, and it has taken a long here. So at 6:01 a.m., 1 minute after the bots came on, first target hit. And then at 6:54 a.m., the bots took a second trade and first target hit. So the crude bot is up $380 this morning. That also is a one contract trade. NASDAQ, I don't know what the gross is. Yeah, it's not much. So first target has been hit on the NASDAQ. So call it $75 as the NASDAQ is up, but currently has an open runner, which is up $285 on the open runner with an auto trail. So that will sell and trail until a reversal. So it's up small. Gold has not taken a trade today. Gold is breaking out, but gold has not taken a trade today. And the YM looks like it's going to be down. It took what looks like, yeah, this is what torques my jaw. So YM took a short here. It actually hit first target. No, it missed first target by a tick. Reversed into a long and failed, or reversed now into a short and is currently in a short. So the YM bot is going to be down at the moment. The second thing I'll do every day is I read the U.S. government required disclaimer. And then I go through charts, fairly comprehensive charts of what I'm looking for the day. I go through a number of charts. And then we'll get on with it. So I've shown the bots. I will put ES is looking to take a short here. It's probably 3 or 4 ticks, what looks like maybe 3 ticks away from a short. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, and we will get on with it. As soon as I find the disclaimer. There we go. Waiting. There it is. All right. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed for the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made, excuse me, that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Or they are trading an actual funded account. Over the past 8 weeks, we have funded some $16, $17 million worth of fully funded accounts. I will be trading along with my members, and I will be trading on screen on a DOM, and you will also see on the NASDAQ chart specifically, you will see my trade entries. I will also be trading with my members, both fully funded accounts as well as Combine account. Okay? So when the bots are in a trade, as these are here, I will put them on the screen so that you can view the bot trades. And when they're quiet or there's nothing going on, or in addition to, I will be offering order flow trades. I trade and teach order flow. Good morning, Ryan. So I will be offering trades. In addition to that, I will be offering ideas on options. I primarily will trade SPX, SPY, and Qs. On occasion, I will offer equity options. Okay? Any questions from my trials? So it may take you a day or two to get acclimated to the room. There's a lot that goes on in this room. And for what it's worth, we'll put the... So the NASDAQ currently has a $385 runner. YM is attempting to get first target, and the ES is in a short. All right, I'll come back to these. All right, there's target 1 on the YM. Stop is moved to break even. I currently have the break even on. Once the market opens, I will change that to trail once we get a little bit of volatility. But I do have the trail on currently in the NASDAQ, which has now got a runner for $415. Okay, let's go over charts, guys. ES is up 87 bucks on one trade. Crude has taken actually three trades. It hit this target. Crude is up $380. That's also a one contract trade. NASDAQ is up 125. It's taken three trades. Failed long, a nice short, and this long here, which I do not have. Maybe I do. I don't think so. No, I don't, because that was when, what's his name was speaking, Bullard. So NASDAQ is up 125. Gold has yet to take a trade. And YM is currently down 335. This failed short, this failed long, this short reversed into the long here, and then reversed into the short, which got targets, and then this long got a first target, but I don't have that long either. That's when Bullard was speaking. So that's down 335. So net right now, 380, 4, 5, 6. We're up about 300 bucks. If anybody has any questions. All right, fellas. We're off. Sellers. NASDAQ shorted right on the open. On the bot. Initial support would be 199. Back to 1,500 sellers. We're trying to push down through the turning line. We should break. Should break. We left sellers on the bottom. Here comes the break. Come on, break it. Give me the pullback. Let's go. Small buyers in the middle there. Come on. Missed first target by a few ticks. It's working through that former buy zone. All right, target one hit and filled on the NASDAQ. All right, audio's back. Audio's back. We should push up. Yeah, can you hear? Sound check? Sound check? Okay. They bought them back. We could get to 19 is going to be resistance. 19. I mean, we're going to face resistance noise right there. Buyers in. We hit, no, we didn't get 20. 19, 20 is resistance. We do have buyers in here, guys. Watch for a close above VWAP. Target is at 24, 25 is going to jam us though. 24, 25. If it pushes up through VWAP, so we'll see what we get up there. Okay, there's buyers. All right, going up, fellas. Going up. So bear with me 1 second. We're going up. We've got buyers. They're buying them back. We're set up for the longs. The NASDAQ bot long and gold bot short. We cleared 24, 25. Next target is 31. Decent buying in here. They're buying them back. We're almost green delta. YM doing very little. I will look for a short up near 45. I'm going to try a short at 45. A lot of buyers, fellas. A lot of buyers. Target filled on the gold bot. $400 runner on the NASDAQ, almost $500 runner on the NASDAQ. Crude is now long on the bot. Crude is now long on the bot as well. Come on, get that swing. Nope, not going to get 45. What did we get? 41. Close. No cigar. YM is also long now on the bot. Got 3 bot trades on, guys. Crude, I'm going to target 1 on the YM. Crude, I'm going to move off the screen because it's so slow. But NASDAQ, ES is going to trade up into 41.40. If we get through 41.40, we could get another trend day up to 65. Got manufacturing PMI. We're going to close. We're going to 49. I'm going to short 50. I'm going to try to get in a 50. We're about to go hourly up. We're pushing hourly resistance here at 50. Tell me that's the day high. No. Damn it. Missed it again. 47.50. You dog. Missed it again on the on order flow. Should have shorted 47, traded right up into my levels. I was looking because of the open for the bleed. Got a runner in the YM and a runner in the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's up half a grand on the runner. YM's up 150 bucks now on the runner. Yeah, well, I should have shorted, just shorted the level and let it bleed through. We're down 200 contracts now, fellas. Nice runner in the YM. All right, guys. If I get a pullback to 4108 on SPX, I will buy SPX calls. 4108. I'm looking for 4108 on a pullback SPX calls. $300 runner now on YM. Support now going to be initially at 40 on the ES. Target on the ES is 4160, but I need a pullback, guys. I'm not buying highs. NASDAQ 300 cars to go to green. Crude bot is just above entry. There's your crude bot. Next target up is, I will short 50. If we get to 50, I will sell 50. All right, guys. Pending short 50. I think we get a pullback into 30, maybe 32. Sellers. Crude. 8 ticks to target here. add on this, at 50 triggers and blows through, add would be 58, so it's not much. YM bot still going at 400 on the runner. NASDAQ at 450. I'm not going to get this either. All right, I'm going to try a long, guys. If we come back and backtest VWAP, 22. We could come back to 11, but I'll try a 22 long. 50 short, 22 long. We may stop 26. All right, NASDAQ bot up 4.25. YM bot still going. Got a big buyer here. Got a block trade, 59 contracts there. Watch 4109 SPX. Deepak, what calls? Not 10s, right? 15s? All right, gold just went long. 41.15, got it. Gold just went long on the bot. Damn it. Bounce 1082. Here's gold, almost the first target. $500 runner, $560 runner on the YM. Gold almost to that target 1. Come on, hit it. Hit it. It did hit target and didn't fill it. Peeve of mine. Look at that YM go. They're buying YM. All right, guys, manufacturing PMI in a couple of seconds. All right. Gold got target. Now up 400 on that. One contract trades. I'll still take this long. Even at 1/10 lower than expected. Should be good, but we're set up to short. Should be good to go. I would take that long above 38 as well. Only bot trade on, guys. This is okay. I got filled on a PA account at 23. Now NASDAQ, target 1 filled. Target 1 filled, money. Stop is at break even. Come on, let's go. Need a little more buying here, buddy. Come on. Pop it up. That's all you got. Sellers. Come on, buyers. Here we go. Buyers coming in. I don't know what the hell just got target. Oh, crude. Crude oil got target. up 610 today. YM still going. Come on, let's go. Break it up. Stop is at break even, guys. I have no stop or no open target on this PA account. This is the account you're watching. That's my PA account to the right. Here we go. Target is 6.2. 6.2. So let's call it 60. Come on, we need this right here. God dang it, we missed that SPX trade by a point. Look at that, $700 runner on the YM. Let's go, big fella. Push it up. Push it up. Push. Come on, big guy. There we go. New bar. We're off. All right, fellas, we're gonna have to get through 48. And we go ski. 48, we should get target. 51, 52 is going to give us a little bit of noise. We've got to get 48 initially. Through 48. $500 runner here, guys. Half a grand. We're trying to get 60 on final target. I got $500 here on a single contract trade on a PA account. Let's go, Haas. We've gone back positive delta. Come on, 22 to 60 would be sweet. Come on, push it up here. We're hourly ups. Here comes target at 60. $700. Come on, give me 60. Come on, don't be a dink. Let's go. Come on. All right, money off. $760 trade there. $725 here. 1,500 bucks, fellas. 750 runner on the YM. You guys good? Everybody good? You'll probably get it on the next 10-minute bar if you want to hold out for the last $20, $30. Oh, DPAC, DPAC, DPAC. How much money did we not make? I can tell you when I looked at them, because I had it loaded to go, 41.15s were $8.40. We probably could have gotten in about $8, $8.20. Those rat bags are 12.10, 50%. Nice job, Jeff. Goal hit. There's my 60. What a bastard. Seriously. Guys, I was looking for a small, just a little, that's the problem with trying to be too accurate. 41.60, 41.60 target now on ES for those of you guys that are long. Everybody good on that trade, guys? Is everybody good? So now I've got to change to another PA account. Easy money's in. Nice job, Mark. All right, fellas. Good job. Good job, fellas. All right. So let's take a assessment of where we are. YM, which was down, is up 140. ES, no change, up 87.50. Crude up 610. NASDAQ up 425 and gold up 400. So you've got 825, 1435, 1575, call it 1650. So the question you now have to ask yourselves is, do you continue to run these bots? Was on the screen. Was on the screen. I bought 23 and 24, or 23 and 22. All right. I see no benefit to continuing to run bots. All right, guys. Here's our support now, 45. We could pull back to 38. We do have some sellers again. Yeah, that torques my jaw, man, on SPX. $10,000 trade was a quick $5,000, Deepak. 10 contracts at $8,000, $4,000, 4,200. Nice job, John, especially knowing when to stop, up 1540. Guys, this is back up to 600 sellers. This ES is pushing up. NASDAQ's getting, we're set up to pull back a bit. Maybe a 40 support. $10 PMI, yeah. New hourly candles should go grain. God dang it, we missed a nice trade. Dicking around for a point on the SPX. Guys, 38 should bounce this. Let's see what happens if we push down to 32. If you took that trade and traded it as I did, you should be up nicely. There is no urgency to jump back into a trade, so everybody just kind of chillax. Looks like we're gonna roll down through VWAP at this point. That swing low at 22, which is where we took the last trade, 21,722. May sell this back to 10. News in 4.5. $52. Come on, don't be a jerk. Losing some buyers. All right, guys. Come on. There we go. Push. Got another 300. If you guys want it. Oh, God, I hate when that. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Target filled on the second PA account, now up 320. And this missed target by literally a freaking tick. Take your money. Take your money. Up 1,025 there. 320 there. 700 there. $2,000 day, guys. Not bad. 35 minutes worth of work. I just saw it. Thank you, Deepak. I just saw it. 41.15s. Yeah, you've already made your money, dude. Nice job. Everybody good, guys? All right, let me, hang on 1 second, guys. Come on, $400. All right, pushing through that 38. There we go. Buy.